Hello guys, today is the second day in Costa Rica. Actually it's the third day, but the second day at our workaway. And it's so nice because the couple that invited us to stay at their place aren't even here, I don't know why exactly. And some ticos, would you call the people that live here, are taking us on a tour. We just walked a long time across the beach. Actually we had to run because we were late. So we had to run after the group. And now we're going inside the jungle. Yes, I'm so excited. It's so beautiful here. The nature is so amazing. Like wow. And also we were supposed to wear long things because of all the insects. Like mosquitoes, snakes, scorpions. I was like, it'll be fine when they told me. Because what can I do now? And yeah. And I also love the sounds here. Here I really feel like it's the first place I've been where you don't need music because there's so many sounds of the animals, like natural sounds. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this little adventure with me, this walk. And I can only say that I recommend Workaway so much because getting all of this experience for free, I'm so grateful and so happy, so blessed. And I'll take you with me.
Nice. Oh no. Schnappschildkröte, ja. Und die Hundis sind auch am Start. Snapping.
Turtle.
Oh.
Ja.
You can bring it home and cook it.
Survival.
See, good. You're safe. In China we had turtle soup.
Bye little turtle.
See. In the soup.
Okay, they told us there's a lot of snakes here, so we should look on the ground.
In the jungle.
And I asked them what I should do if there's a snake, and they were like, oh, just be normal. Like, why am I even looking at the ground?
That was scary.
Entonces, ¿qué hago cuando hay una, ¿cómo se
Serpiente.
dice? Una serpiente.
Quedarse quedito.
Hmm?
No, don't move it.
Don't move.
Poder yo agarrarla y...
Ese es flaco. Eli muestra
El guía.
la región para mí.
El guía.
El guía, sí. O amigo.
Bueno, Jorge, pregúnteles que qué van a hacer si seguimos por la playa. Porque por el sendero es prohibido porque estamos en una reserva privada.
Okay, now we're going to walk on a beach because they just said that it's a private ground. We don't have the right to walk, but maybe they were scared that someone will get bitten by a snake. Because, yeah, I don't actually know what we would do if we get bitten. Because I don't think there's a doctor around. What is it?
I don't remember the name.
It smells good.
It's pretty good.
Ovo.
¿Qué?
Ovo.
Ogo?
Ovo.
Jobo.
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 Jobo. Vai comer mais tarde. Vou comer. I will eat it later because I'm still fasting. Because yesterday I ate so many things. Yes.
You don't
And
trust, you don't trust us?
no, I want to eat it. But if I eat like this now, then my blood sugar will rise and then I will get so hungry soon, you know?
Ah, yeah.
If I'm just fasting,
I'm
will
already at that point.
Oh shit.
Oh, look at that frog. Look at this frog.
Aber größer.
Venka, come, you want to see a frog? There's a frog.
Really?
A little red.
Where is it?
Allá.
It's so small.
Yeah, that's glaube
Mama,
ich
Foto
giftig.
von dem.
Poison?
Sí, sí, sí.
Oh, here's the other one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Muss echt ein bisschen
This is what a dog's life should look like. Just running around freely, doing whatever they want. And they're always coming with you. He went for a run this morning and they came with him all the way. It's so cute.
When we go to the jungle, we need some good shoes, not Vans.
Yeah, they all have like hiking shoes. But I just said that I'd rather walk barefoot because I think,
Or barefoot shoes.
yeah, just take off your clothes and you'll be fine. Okay, so now the plan is to go back because we found out that to go to the place where we could walk further inside the jungle was 2.5 hours walking. And then it's private premises, so we don't even know if we're allowed to. So, and it's better actually because we're not completely prepared.
And I show you guys how beautiful she looks in her very nice sexy outfit.
Oh.
Eat it?
Puedes comer.
Huh?
Puedes comer. You can eat it. Puedes comer.
Puedes comer.
Or in Portuguese,
como?
pode comer. You say vou comer, I will eat it. How to chill on the beach. If you don't have an umbrella, you can just build something.
Or you have not a house, you can also live there.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah.
It's all you need. Like no animal will ever get
No
inside.
electricity, only the beach, only this girl.
It's completely protected. There's a shower, kitchen, everything.
Look at this beautiful girl on the beach. She looks like a sea... yeah, sea mermaid. Or a mermaid? I saw mermaid, only mermaid.
He also says not only stick, but
Ah, wood stick. Look at this wood stick. Yeah, my English is so funny. I hope you guys enjoying this nice English talk with me. Huh? Wow.
wowie.
Wow.
It tastes really fresh, but you cannot eat it yet. And also, what the reality you didn't see, my shoes was standing there, the camera was lying there, then the wave came and he saved the camera.
Yeah,
Like-
thank you, man.
Posso comer isso? Solamente isso.
Wow.
Esto es para cuando uno anda sin agua en la montaña.
Speicher. To save water.
It's so sour. It's the rainwater. This plant saves it, and when you're walking in the mountains, you can drink it. Nós podemos sobreviver tudo agora. Nós podemos beber água em todos os lugares.
Sobrevivencia. Survival.
I said we
Yeah,
can survive everywhere now because we know how to drink water from coconuts, from plants. Look at how big the roots of this tree are. That's crazy. Trees are so strong. We were eating now. We just ate some weird mixture of rice, lentils, and chickpeas, and like a little bit of onions. Now we're going canoeing. You say like that? Canoeing?
What'd you say? Kayaking.
Oh. Going even better than canoeing.
Yes.
Do you need some help, by the way? Okay, amazing. I'm very happy you don't need help. So here's the ocean, but also we're very close to the river where we came from. And that's where we're going. Also just sometimes just focusing on the background, but I think that's also fine. If you see some palm trees, you'll be happy. See my face? I hope you're happy. And yes, if it's a happy face at least. So I just took over the kayak and this our boat. Amazing. I never felt so trusting in a boat before. I think we're just chilling here and watching if he gets eaten by a crocodile.